Hello, could you state your name for the record, please, Mr. Scott?
Why, Scott? How you doing, Miss Fink?
I'm okay. How are you doing?
Been in the hospital for 3 weeks.
All right. Well, you missed a court date on October 27th.
See?
I see that. Yep.
I was in the hospital for 3 weeks. I didn't even remember. I thought it was in December. I mean, yeah. I thought,
what are the dates you were in the hospital?
I was in the hospital last month. I was in the hospital for 3 weeks.
What does your bracelet say? What's the?
I just got out today.
What's the admission date on there? The date that you were first admitted?
It don't say.
Okay.
11/14/22. That's when I just got out.
That's yesterday.
Yeah, I just got out yesterday.
But it doesn't have a day on there for when you went to the hospital?
No, I just got out. No, I don't have a date on there.
Okay.
I was in there for 3 weeks. That's why I missed my appointment.
Okay, so unfortunately, I do not have permission from Judge Simpson to change the bonds that he sets when someone misses a felony court date.
I know. I'm gonna go to my court date, but look.
I know, but I have to keep the bonds that he set, which is $10,000.
All right, but when I get out of here today, I'm literally going to the hospital again because I don't feel good.
Okay, so $10,000 is your bond, and your court date will be on November 22nd, which is a week from today, at 1 p.m.
Am I getting a PR?
No, $10,000.
Man, Miss Fink, I can't be in here like this.
Mr. Scott, I cannot change the bond that Judge.
All right, he didn't. I mean, but you still can give me a PR on him, so I can.
No, I can't.
Why?
Because Judge Simpson is my boss, and my instructions are.
He didn't say you couldn't give me no PR though. He didn't say you can give me no PR.
When someone misses a court date.
Miss Fink, I was in a hospital. What do you want me to do?
Mr. Scott, I don't want you to do anything. I'm trying to tell you what my job.
I can't be in here like this, man. I cannot be in here like this. That's why I asked for a PR so I can get. So I can't give you a PR. Please, Miss Fink.
I don't have the permission from Judge Simpson to give you a PR.
You have to uplift my warrants and everything. So I can get a PR.
I can't do that for you in this case.
Why?
Judge Simpson has told me when someone misses a felony court date.
Okay, but it's not. I didn't even do anything. I don't. They already.
You know that if I could, I would. You know I would.
I'm saying you can.
I'm saying I can't. You're not my boss. Judge Simpson is.
I don't want to be in here like this.
I understand. I don't want.
I want to go to the hospital, and I don't want to be here. These people won't even send me to the hospital.
I'm sorry.
You sorry? They won't even send me to the hospital. I don't feel well.
I'm sorry. There's nothing that I can do.
What you mean there's nothing you can do?
I can't change the bond because Judge Simpson.
Why is my bond so high?
That's the bond that Judge Simpson
said. Man, Judge Simpson did not give me that. You gave it to me.
No, Judge Simpson.
Judge Simpson did not give me that bond at all. He wasn't even my judge for this case.
You're mistaken about that.
He was not my judge for this case before I got them bonds.
You missed a court date in front of Judge Simpson on October 27th.
Okay, what they got to do with anything?
Bond. That's when he set that bond.
Why is my bond so high?
That's the bond that Judge Simpson set.
Man, he keep doing this to me. Y'all keep doing this to me. Like, why?
I don't know why he set it that high. That's his decision.
I don't want to be here for 2 weeks.
It's 1 week. But I understand. There's nothing that I can do, Mr.
Can't you just give me a PR bond so I can leave?
No, I can't.
You can if you wanted to.
I'm not willing to go against Mr.
Man, please, man, so I can get up out of here. I don't want to be in here. Please. You said no, like
I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
Why?
Judge Simpson is my boss.
Man, what does Judge Simpson got to do with anything that you can do? You ain't even uplift my warrants.
Okay. If you're not going to listen, I'm not going to explain it again.
All right, I'll listen to you, man.
Okay, Judge Simpson is my boss. I work for Judge Simpson. My instructions are when he sets a bond, when someone misses a court date with him, that I do not have his permission to change that bond. So the bond he set in your file is $10,000 cash or surety. I can't.
Ain't nobody's got $10,000. I'm indigent. So why is y'all?
I understand that. I didn't set the bond, and you know that if I could change it, I would. You know that.
Yeah, I know.
And so if I'm telling you I can't, you also have to know that's because I can't. Okay, I'm not trying to mess with you. You know I'm not. And I understand why you're upset, and I would help you if I can.
Bro, I was in the hospital for 3 weeks. What you want
Yeah.
to do?
So Miss Reed, Miss White, Sandra White is actually his lawyer now because there was a conflict. Maybe someone can get the paperwork showing he was in the hospital on that day and get Judge
Can I get
Simpson.
the case number so that I can?
I already sent it to you, Paul. 22 FB 1390.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. Scott, I've just asked Miss Reed from the Public Defender's Office to try to get your hospital admission date to be able to show Judge Simpson that you were in the hospital. Okay? If that paperwork gets to Judge Simpson, he might change your bond. That's all we can do for you.
Man, so y'all trying to keep me in jail, basically?
I'm not trying to.
So what?
And Miss Reed's office will do what they can to try to hunt down that information showing you were in the hospital.
I shouldn't be here. They already entered me a plea of not guilty.
Yep.
Right?
Yes.
So why am I here?
Because you missed a court date and Judge Simpson set that bond.
Well, Judge Simpson shouldn't even be my judge because, like,
he's the judge for the probable cause conferences.
So what you think he gonna do to me? He gonna keep me in jail or let me go?
Probably not. And I hope that Miss Reed and your new lawyer, Miss White, are able to find.
Probably not. What? I don't get it. Like, probably keep me in jail?
I don't think so. And they're going to try to find the proof that you were in the hospital, which might get you out sooner.
Mr. Scott, I'll be in contact with Miss White this afternoon. I'll reach out and try
I've
to
been going back and forth to the hospital. I've been going back.
We'll try to get all of that documentation. I will reach out as soon as I'm done with court here, and we'll try to get that documentation and get it over to Judge Simpson as quickly as possible for you.
I shouldn't be here, though, this lady. I shouldn't be here at all.
I understand the situation that you're in and how you feel about it. Unfortunately, all we can do right now is work on getting this information to Judge Simpson so that he understands what was happening.
When you're ready, Mr. Scott, you can stand up and step back out.
Do what?
Stand up and step back out when you're ready.
What you mean, go out here?
Yep.
And then what?
Miss Reed and your new lawyer, Miss White, will try to talk to Judge Simpson's office and the hospital about which hospital were you in?
St. Joe's. I've been going back and forth.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Elliott, come on, sir.
On a new case?
Mr. Scott appeared before the court after missing a previous felony court date, explaining that he had been hospitalized for 3 weeks and had only been released the day before the hearing. The judge asked him to verify his hospital stay, but the hospital bracelet only showed his recent discharge date and did not confirm when he had been admitted. Although the judge acknowledged Mr. Scott's explanation, she stated that she did not have the authority to change the $10,000 bond because it had been set by Judge Simpson after Mr. Scott failed to appear at his October 27th court hearing. Mr. Scott repeatedly pleaded for a personal recognizance, PR, bond, explaining that he felt ill, needed to return to the hospital and should not be in jail because he missed court due to his medical condition. The judge sympathized with the situation but emphasized that she was required to follow Judge Simpson's instructions and could not alter the bond. To help, she asked the public defender's office and Mr. Scott's attorney to obtain hospital records proving he was hospitalized on the missed court date and submit them to Judge Simpson, who might reconsider the bond. Mr. Scott remained frustrated, insisting he should not be incarcerated, but the judge concluded that obtaining the medical documentation was the only available path to seeking relief.